very own Island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Super! We all love your... What type of wagon should we pull? Excellent! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Great! That's the way! Sheds! We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. That's perfect. Excellent. Thanks for helping out.